How to activate Marketplace on your Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, over here you're gonna find different options. Along with these options, you will find the option of Marketplace. Marketplace is the default feature in Facebook account, so you don't need to activate it. If you cannot find this option of Marketplace over here, what you can do is head towards the settings icon. Now at the top right corner, you will find the search icon. Click on it. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in navigation bar and search for it. Now click on this option, customize the bar. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. You will see the option of Marketplace as well. At the right corner of it, you will see the drop down. Click on it and set it to pin. Once you do that, you will be able to find the Marketplace at the bottom of your screen or at the top of the screen. Clicking on the option of Marketplace, you will get the access to your Marketplace. Now you are able to sell the items. Likewise, you can buy the items from the Marketplace. Well, this is how you can easily activate Marketplace on your Facebook account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.